Hi, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bytes Product Reviews with Ron Nutter. Now this time we're going to show you a different kind of smart charger, and this is one that I got into because I had a very specific situation, and that's I had what they call a LiPO battery, or lithium iron phosphate, because I've got an electric lift installed on the back of my vehicle for getting a wheelchair up and down. And this was a very compact option to be able to charge it, because some of these lithium iron phosphate batteries are meant to charge a much larger battery. I've got a 50 amp hour battery, which is a pretty small battery in the grand scheme of things. To the credit of the manufacturer, you are sent 3 different cabling options. You've got a set of clamps that you can use. If you're charging a battery quite a bit, then there's a direct tie-in to the battery posts that should work just fine for you. Now, this does have 2 different connection options. You have the alligator clamps you see at the bottom, and you also have a direct tie-in that will go over the battery posts. So it's something to think about. I've had very good luck with this charging the battery and not had a problem with any misfires, or you just have to watch it the first few times, because when you select it, then it will start remembering what kind of battery you have, and just make sure that if you've got lithium iron phosphate, that you've got that selected as the battery type for everything to charge right, and that goes well with the other types that are supported with it. So take a look at this one, give it a shot, and I think you're going to find you got a handy little charger that doesn't take a whole lot of room.